Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Salad Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
The devil came and put the hand around this gentleman, American gentleman, and he in a stammering voice said, "What has happened? Everything has changed. Yesterday things were so beautiful. I had such a lavish lunch, such lovely music. Everybody was dancing. Today the scenario had changed." And the devil told him, "Yesterday we were campaigning. Today you have voted for us. This is the reality for which you have voted." We have to be wise, not to be carried away by the campaigns and the promises. We have to be wise. We have passed through one such experience. And on the other side, to become more deeply conscious of the enormous challenges that lie ahead of us, so that we may constantly re-evaluate our mission and rededicate ourselves to it with increasing enthusiasm. Of course, we take this opportunity also to pat ourselves on the shoulder for the all-important service that we render to the society, and particularly to the future leaders of our nation.
My request is, help your students become human. Your efforts must never produce learned monsters, skilled psychopaths, educated illiterates. Reading, writing, arithmetic are important only if they serve towards making our children more human.